Building a big, powerful chest doesn't require a gym full of machines. You can create impressive strength and definition using just your body weight, consistency, and smart technique, right at home. The key isn't fancy equipment but proper form, progressive overload, and choosing the right exercises that hit every part of your chest. In 2025, home workouts have become more advanced and efficient than ever. With these 6 exercises, you'll develop a thick, sculpted chest that looks and feels strong, without spending a cent on gym fees. Let's start with push-ups, the ultimate foundation for chest development. They may seem basic, but push-ups are one of the most effective ways to target the pectoral muscles, shoulders, and triceps simultaneously. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, core tight, and chest lowered until it nearly touches the floor. Explode back up with controlled power. To increase intensity, try decline push-ups with your feet on a chair or incline push-ups with your hands elevated. Both variations hit the upper and lower chest differently, stimulating growth from all angles. Perform 4 sets of 15-20 reps daily, maintaining perfect form and tension in your chest throughout each movement. Next comes the chest dip, an incredible bodyweight exercise for the lower chest. If you don't have parallel bars, you can use 2 sturdy chairs or the edge of a countertop. Keep your elbows slightly flared and lean your torso forward as you lower yourself down until your chest feels stretched. Then push back up while squeezing your chest muscles. Dips build thickness and strength by targeting fibers that standard push-ups can't reach. For an added challenge, wear a backpack with a few books for extra resistance. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10-12 reps, focusing on a slow, controlled motion rather than speed. The third exercise is wide push-ups, designed to widen and sculpt the outer chest. Position your hands wider than your shoulders, lower your body slowly, and feel the stretch across your chest. Pause at the bottom for a moment before pressing back up. This move forces the outer pectorals to engage more deeply, giving your chest a broader and fuller look. To make it harder, perform them with one hand slightly elevated on a small object to increase the stretch. Do 4 sets of 12-15 reps and ensure every repetition feels controlled. That's how real growth happens. Up next is the incline push-up, a perfect way to target the upper chest without weights. Place your hands on a raised surface like a table, bench, or sturdy sofa. Keep your body in a straight line and lower your chest toward the surface. This angle isolates the upper portion of your chest, building definition that adds shape and symmetry. The key is to squeeze at the top of each push-up. Imagine you're trying to bring your chest muscles together. Complete 4 sets of 20 reps, increasing the incline over time for more challenge. The incline variation helps create that upper chest fullness often seen in gym-trained physiques. The 5th move, plyometric push-ups, introduces explosive power and fast-twitch muscle activation. Start in a regular push-up position. Lower yourself. Then push up explosively so your hands leave the floor briefly before landing softly. This motion develops strength and speed simultaneously, forcing your chest fibers to grow thicker and more responsive. If full plyometric push-ups feel too difficult, start with smaller explosive movements or perform them on your knees until your power increases. Do 3 sets of 10-15 reps, resting longer between sets to recover. These build not just muscle size, but athletic chest strength that translates to every other movement. Finally, finish with squeeze push-ups, a powerful exercise that focuses on contraction and inner chest development. Get into a push-up position, but this time place your hands close together in a diamond shape under your chest. As you lower down, keep your elbows tucked and squeeze your hands inward as if trying to press them together. This creates constant tension through the inner chest and improves the definition and separation between your pectoral muscles. Squeeze hard at the top of each rep to maximize the burn. Perform 4 sets of 12-15 reps, maintaining tension throughout. Now, let's talk about structure and progression, the secret behind visible growth. To build a bigger chest at home, you must challenge your muscles consistently. Start by performing these 6 exercises 3 to 4 times a week, allowing at least 1 rest day in between for recovery. Each week, aim to add a few more reps, slow down your tempo, or reduce rest time between sets. This gradual overload tells your muscles to adapt and grow. Consistency beats intensity. A perfect 20-minute session 4 times a week will always outperform random, exhausting workouts. Another critical factor is mind-muscle connection. Most people perform push-ups quickly just to count reps. Instead, focus on feeling the stretch and contraction in your chest during every movement. Visualize your chest muscles working and tightening. This mental focus significantly increases muscle activation and results. Always control your breathing. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push up, synchronizing breath with motion for better performance and endurance. To complement these exercises, nutrition plays a vital role. Your body needs protein to repair and grow muscle fibers. Include foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and Greek yogurt in your daily diet. Staying hydrated and maintaining a slight calorie surplus, consuming slightly more calories than you burn, helps your chest muscles expand. Remember, without proper nutrition, even the best workout plan will produce limited results. Rest and recovery are just as essential as training. Muscle growth happens not during the workout, but during rest, when your body repairs the fibers broken down during exercise. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, and avoid training the same muscle group every day. On rest days, light stretching or a short walk keeps blood flowing, promoting recovery without overtraining. Overworking your chest can actually slow progress, so balance intensity with recovery. In 2025, the beauty of home workouts lies in their accessibility and simplicity. You don't need expensive gear or supplements, just commitment and a small space. These 6 exercises, done correctly and consistently, can completely transform your upper body. Push-ups, dips, and their variations target every fiber of your pectoral muscles, while explosive and squeeze movements build definition and density. In just a few weeks, you'll notice not only a stronger chest but better posture, shoulder stability, and overall confidence. If you're serious about results, track your progress. Write down how many reps and sets you complete each session and how your strength improves over time. You can also take progress photos every 2 weeks to see how your chest shape changes. These small victories keep you motivated and remind you that growth takes time, but it's happening. Don't let excuses hold you back. Whether you have 5 minutes or 30, these movements can be done.